Hello everybody. Today we got this Kia Sportage 2005. Let's take a look at this car and review it for you. This door looks clean as well. This door too is very clean. There's no rust, as you can see. It's not rusty. Check the other side. And this door from the passenger side. Also very clean. This one too is clean as well. Let's go jump to the trunk. Here we are, the trunk. It opens very smoothly. Let's check the edges here. Everything looks just fine. Let's jump to the engine room.
Second step inside the car. Okay, start, put the key on. Lights are on, as you can see. Starting the engine now. Alright, lights are gone. No problems at all so far. Everything looks good. RPMs are up. Alright, now let's try to accelerate and check out the RPMs plus the sound of the engine. Alright. As you can see here, the RPMs go up very fast. The acceleration also goes very smoothly. And again, hear the sound of the engine. Yep, I'll show you from here. It's a bit dirty, but brake is also very strong and good. Got the windows control here. This window works just fine. Try the other side. Also works perfectly. So this side too. Alright. This one goes up to here only. And this side. Okay, they're all working. Look at the seats. Show you the seats here. Seats look good. This seat has a cover. There's also this seat here. It's not in a good condition. This is the only one that's a bit dirty, but others they're very clean. Let's check out the radio. Okay, this one looks like it's working just fine. Alright, this radio works just fine. Let's check out the AC. Hello. Okay. Wow. Can you feel the sound of the wind? It's blowing very strongly. Okay, AC is on and it's very, very cold. The wind is very cold. It's all working just fine. Perfect. So the AC also works and functions very, very well. Yeah, I think I've covered everything in this car, so everything looks good here so far. Here I opened the engine room, as you can see, and here the engine sounds very normal. No smoke or oils coming out. everything looks good so far. Check the in oil level. The level is good as well. Yep, just want to check the edges.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
Finishing here with this Kia Sportage. As you've seen, the car is in a very good condition. It's a bit messy from inside, but just clean it will look like a new car. If you're interested in it, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.